Snapchat filters not working. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can fix the Snapchat filters not working problem. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. So guys, if you are experiencing an issue with Snapchat filters not working problem, so there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to fix that issue. So first of all, you can enable the Snapchat filter setting. Ensure that filters are enabled in the Snapchat, and make sure that you are using the stable and the strong internet connection, as Snapchat filters requires a strong internet connection. Also guys, you can update the app, so you will have to go to your Play Store, and from there you will have to search for the Snapchat, and then you will have to update your application from there. So this is how you can easily, so by following these steps you can be able to address the issue of the Snapchat filters not working problem. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.